Hey guys, what's up and what is going on? My name is Anthony and today I have a awesome video for you guys. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to speed up or slow down a video clip in Final Cut Pro X. You can create some really cool video effects and really cool trippy looking video edits with this feature. Today I'm going to start with showing you guys how to speed up a video clip. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to create, well, we're not gonna try, we are gonna create this type of effect where the beginning is really fast and then it slows down. Again, here's what that looks like. So let's create it. Basically, here's the original clip. It's slow. And sure, it looks nice, but if we watch this, we would be bored. So let's make it interesting. So right about here, we're gonna pause it and we're gonna make a cut by doing Command B. And then the big part of the clip here that we actually wanna slow down and make fast, or not slow down, okay. We don't wanna slow it down to make it fast. We just wanna make it fast. That was so confusing, I'm so sorry. To here, where we have this little speed looking gauge, and we're gonna hit this arrow, and inside of there we're gonna go to fast, and we're just gonna hit -2 times. And the reason why I just did that is because now what we can do is we can go to this purple area here, and we can go to this little line right here, and we can adjust how fast this video clip is. So if we drag it to the left, it's gonna make the clip faster. If we drag it to the right, it's gonna actually make the clip slower. So we obviously want it to be faster, and you just wanna really play around with it and find out what the best speed is. We're gonna try it right here, and we're gonna go back and watch it. Let's see how it looks. Wow, that looked so cool. So that's basically what we did, is we just sped that up, and we were able to create this really cool effect. Now that we've sped this first part up, last part here could actually be slowed down a little bit, having it go really fast and then slow down. Click on the clip that we want to slow down. We're gonna go back to our little speed gauge here. After you go to the little speed gauge, you're gonna wanna go to slow instead of fast, and we're gonna hit -50%. So that's probably a little too slow. Let's just see. Yeah, maybe a little too slow. So let's make it a little bit faster. We're just gonna wanna drag it toward the left. And again, if we dragged it really left, it would actually make it faster. But we don't want it to be faster. We want it to be slower. So we're gonna go back to slow, which is indicated by the orange. And we're gonna slow it down to 80%. And let's see how that looks. That looked pretty cool. I just love shots like that. They're so interesting because they start out so fast and they grab your attention, and then, you know, usually they end with like some big, beautiful, wide angle shot, just like this one. So I don't know, that's how you speed up and slow down video clips in Final Cut Pro. You can use it, you can use this feature with pretty much anything that you need to. That's just how you do it. So thank you guys for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, definitely subscribe to the channel and give this video a like, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.